I reviewed out a staking system that, to be honest, feels more like a mobile game than a crypto dashboard, and it genuinely took me by surprise. Let's have a look at it. And just a reminder, everyone, all these videos about crypto and finance are never financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own research before investing in or committing to any project. And if you do want to get involved, all the links will be right at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. Let's get into it. All right then, everyone, I'm genuinely excited to talk to you about this super cute and fun project right here. It's gamified and it's based on NFTs. They've got a nice little early opportunity here to get in on the pre-sale. I'm going to talk you through how it all works. So I've already gone ahead and connected my MetaMask wallet, as you can actually see up here in the top right of the screen. That's what you'll need to do to get involved with the project. So as you can see here at the time of making this video, we're currently in stage 6. The price is set to increase in 2 days, 11 hours, 41 minutes, and 55 seconds. So there might only be just over a day left by the time this video actually comes out. So time is of the essence. Remember, if you do want to get involved, the link's in the description after you've done your own research, of course. They've got a listing at 6 cents, all right. You can currently get in for 1 HUGS at the pre-sale price of $0.423, so I don't need to do the maths, guys. If this lists at 6 cents, as they've said it will right here, that's going to be a really nice ROI, return on investment there. And they've already raised in USDT 236.29.05. Pretty impressive from the Milk Mocha pre-sale so far. I really like how they've got full transparency here, okay? You've got the how to buy section here, and the liquidity, which you can go ahead and view on Etherscan. Super easy to do that there. I love the fact that they've got that burn in there, okay? So this is the amount of HUGS that they've actually got burned here, all right? Pretty cool. And there's currently 401 holders, so still pretty early. And you can go ahead and actually select your chain, all right? This is also on Binance, Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, as well as Ethereum. And then, of course, you'd go and select your token after that. Just put in the amount. That gives you how much HUGS it's worth, okay? Referral code bonus, that'll all be there with the link, guys. And it's as simple as just going ahead and hitting buy token. And, really important fact as well, the top 3 buyers right here will share that amount of bonus tokens, guys. That's pretty good. 87,602.39, okay? Pretty juicy. So yeah, folks, if you didn't realize it already, the HUGS, the HUGS token, is tied to the Milk Mocha brand. The project, folks, essentially mixes a deflationary token within this meme culture. And as we can see here, we've also got this really cool gamified earning system. Everything essentially revolves around staking, burns, and NFTs. Now, what's really important to understand for the actual appreciation of the token price, because they've got this deflationary system, that's going to be really good for the token supply and the future projections of the price of HUGS. There are 40 weekly stages in total. Tokens are allocated every week. Now, this is really important, so listen up. If a week goes by and the tokens that don't sell out in that particular week, they get burned, as you can see. These burns are all visible on-chain and are permanent. And as we can see, that's the current burn total right there, just to really drive the point home. Now, the way you build out this virtual farm is by staking your HUGS tokens once you've got them after the pre-sale. The interface itself will function like a casual game. Upgrade, collect, and grow your yield. Pretty fun. And this is really cool because rewards actually appear daily without any vesting and can be claimed straight away. The purpose of doing this is to keep users active and engaged, rather than having a set and forget system, which I think is really good, and that's more in line with what a gamified experience should actually be about, in my opinion. Now, there's also going to be a planned gaming ecosystem as well. Milk and Mocha NFTs with future in-game utility. There's going to be something like a mini metaverse. We're talking maybe different style zones where token and NFT holders will get extra perks. If you're an early holder, you might get access to future perks based on upcoming releases. Because yeah, folks, I can tell you right now, this is definitely something I'm going to have a bit of a go at. I'm a bit of a sucker for these early stage projects, so you never know. I mean, maybe a lot of them don't end up working out in the end, but look, this is pretty cute, looks pretty good, doesn't it? I'm not throwing my entire life savings at it or anything like that, but hey, 60% APY on a HUG stake farm. You can grow the farm, get your yield, grow, earn, and collect. Pretty cool, right? Buy HUG crates to uncover rare items that boost your APY and customize your farm. The rarer the find, the greater the rewards. I love all this sort of thing. I love the gamified experiences. This is sort of what it's going to look like. Your current APY, the daily reward, the staked HUGs you've got there, and you've got like the different active bits of equipment, things like that. Pretty cool, right? And there's your Milk Mocha gaming, all right? play and earn hugs in the actual Milk Mocha metaverse there. And this gives you a bit of an idea, perhaps, of how it's going to look, all right, on the smartphone. And I have to say, what do you lot think? I mean, this looks pretty cool. It's a bit like a racetrack game or something along those lines. They've got like a bit of a farming game as well. We're catching some honey from the sky. This is pretty cool, guys, all right? So you can do all this from your iPhone, okay? You don't even need a computer for this. So yeah, guys, the NFTs as well, all right? The officially minted Milk Mocha NFTs are here. I mean, these look pretty cool. I don't know, I quite like this alligator bloke or the crocodile just here on the left side. Pretty cool. And yeah, as we said, guys, they're usable in the metaverse with verified scarcity and secret rewards, folks. They've also got charity initiatives, Oxfam, WF, WaterAid. Really, really good to see it. And more information on the tokenomics here. 40% to the actual public sale, 35% to the ecosystem, 15% to liquidity, 5% to marketing, and 5% to the team. And it's good to see that the 5% for the team is actually locked for 2 years. And if you want to go through the roadmap, it's also here as well. So yeah, guys, verified by CoinSuites. They've got the audit there, which is really, really cool to see as well. Gives them a bit more security, and in terms of media coverage, exchanges, MEXC, KuCoin, they've got all the big hitters. So really, really good to see that as well. There's a system here and an area for FAQs, and if you want to get support, guys, it's there. milkmocha.com support, iOfficial Telegram, and also the X account. Make sure to take a moment to explore the staking preview and actually see how the farm mechanics work before deciding if this fits your style. All right, guys, so what are you waiting for? If you thought this was a cool little project, then let us know in the comments section. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and the link to sign up will be at the top of this video's description and in the pinned comments.